Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to whisper to another user or another player on the game. So just stick into this video. So first of all, you would like to go and download Roblox in your PC if you don't have it. Of course, you can do that through any browser you are using. So of course, just go and open your browser, type roblox.com, and then create an account if you don't have one. If you have one, just go and log in into it, and they will provide you with the link to download the Roblox in your PC. So once you actually download it on your PC, you will need to open it. Then of course you'll need to log in again into your account here, and you will find this as your home or as your main screen. So of course from here you would like to choose one of the games that you want to enter and to show you how to whisper to someone. So let me just as an example, let's just enter this game, play the game, and let's just wait at the game until it loads correctly. So let's just wait a bit. And here we are. That will be our game. So of course, and that will be it. Of course, if you want to whisper to someone in the game, simply you will need to go to the chat. How can you do that? Of course, if you have this this is locked, just go and hit the shift button and go here to the chat option and hit this, then W, then space, and then of course you would like to enter the username of the one that you want to whisper to. So of course just type /W, then type in the username of the person you want to message, then type in the message you want to send. So this is an example. There is a user here. His name is maybe Jonathan, and just hit the space again and type your message. So hi, how are you doing? I hope all good. So let's as an example, that will be your message. That is the username, and make sure to just type this in the beginning of the message and hit the enter button. So as you can see, they tell me this speaker Jonathan does not exist because no one is actually in this game right now. But of course, for you, if you join into like a server with a lot of people, just type their name and they will send them the message instead of sending the message in this general chat like that. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.